Legislative branch is supposed to write the laws, and the executive is charged with carrying them out. But recently, the executive has taken steps to reshape how agencies function. This gets to the heart of something called the non-delegation doctrine. It says that Congress can never hand over their lawmaking authority to anybody else. But over time, Congress has written broad and ambiguous statutes and then left it up to federal agencies to determine how to interpret and implement them. Now, those agencies are being directed to make sweeping changes that sometimes contradict the intent of the original law that gave them their power in the first place. That's why many constitutional law scholars are returning to an old tool called the legislative veto. It allowed Congress to delegate limited authority to the executive while still retaining the power to be able to block agency action where it contradicted what they wrote in the original statute. It was a crucial check on executive power until the Supreme Court struck it down in 1983, but since then, Congress lacks any real direct mechanism to meaningfully check a powerful executive. That said, in today's complex world, we do need qualified experts to be able to make decisions, but when it becomes a tool for the executive to bypass the legislative process, we have to ask the question, are we still being governed by a system that promotes checks and balances, or something else entirely?